Hello and welcome to this jewelry making tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to make some metal dangle earrings using some metal chain, this bit of chain, some metal charms, these heart-shaped charms, fishhook ear wires and some jump rings. As tools, I will need a jump ring opener and a pair of chain nose pliers. So if you are ready, let's begin making the dangle earrings. I will take one of those jump rings, grab it with the pliers and open it with the jump ring opener. So as you can see, I have opened this jump ring. And now I will put the charm on the jump ring like this. And I will take the chain and put the chain on the jump ring as well. Now I will close this jump ring with the chain nose pliers and the jump ring opener. This way. And now I will hang the fishhook ear wire. In order to put the fishhook ear wire at this end of my chain, I will open another jump ring like this. I will put the chain on the jump ring like this, and I will put the fishhook ear wire on the jump ring. And now I'm closing the jump ring, and I have created the first dangle earring. And now let's do the same steps with the second earring, with the second charm. I take the jump ring, I open the jump ring with the pliers and the jump ring opener like this. I put the charm on the jump ring, so I put this bit of chain on my jump ring like this. I close the jump ring, this way. Now I will take the second jump ring and open it. I have opened the jump ring and I will put the chain on the jump ring like this, and I will put the fishhook ear wire on the jump ring as well. And now I will close the jump ring. And my second earring is also, dangle earring is also ready. So this is what my dangle earrings look like. So as you can see, it is very simple to make a pair of earrings like this.